heading to New York, and I forgot my winter coat at home. So this is gonna be a fun adventure. We'll see how it goes. The train is on its way. Let's go. I smell like a Starbucks. Made it to New York, and I already got pushed on the escalator. These people were in a rush. They're like, get the heck out of my way.
Ice, biting breeze, steel giants scraping clouds. My leather gloves stay tight, walking fast past the park fountain. Cabs, yellow blurs, running through the freezing slush. This is the place, this is the only place for me. Tuxedo pressed, dinner at 8. Top of the tower, the air gets thin. The greatest show I have ever seen. 5 boroughs calling, and I am home. Stone, hard concrete.
Going to Empire State Building.
Rising from the grates. Bitter wind howling down Broadway, but the theater doors stay open. Wine red and dry, silver spoons on linen cloth, diamonds on your neck, glittering like the cold stars. This is the place, this is the only place for me. Tuxedo pressed, dinner at 8. Top of the town where the air gets thin. The greatest show I have ever seen. 5 boroughs calling, and I am home. Let it free.
Get those planks out of the way.
Let it snow.
Hey, watch it. What's coming up here? Hey, fellas, watch the bricks. What are you talking about? Hey, Bucky, you gonna ride that thing all day? Do something useful, will ya? All right, they're coming up to the 80th floor. You're headed to the top of the Empire State Building right here in the heart of New York City.
The greatest show I have ever seen. 5 boroughs calling, and I am home. Let it freeze, let it snow, let the winter wind blow. I have got a reservation, I have got a view, I have got the whole wide world right here. This is the place, this is the only place for me. Tuxedo pressed, dinner at 8. Top of the town where the air gets thin. The greatest show I have ever seen. 5 boroughs calling, and I am home. 5 towns, like Old Town, New York, New York, New York.
This could definitely be it. Go back to the local town. You have tourists now.
It's 20 Times Square, northeast corner of 7th and 47th.
That's the nicest part of the hotel. Look at that shower. I could actually fit in this. Like this connects to your Bluetooth to play music or something. That's interesting. This is one of the bigger rooms, which is actually one of the smallest rooms I've ever stayed in. But the view is nothing but New York. Times Square is supposed to be on the left. And it is foggy at the top of those buildings. You can see the clouds. New York, concrete jungle where trees are made of. So I don't have an ironing board, it's got steamer. Actually, I like this. I should have this in my home. I don't know anything about Friends. I never watched the show, but this place seems to be pretty popular. So I'm gonna get the how you doing blend and maybe a bagel. Now I'm heading to Krispy Kreme, the place I wanted to go to this entire time. Just look at all that goodness. Hot glazed donuts is the way to go. The only way to go. That big old clump of dough in there. It's probably been on the floor, but that doesn't matter. How much is that thing? How much was that fish? Kind of devoured this thing. This was a Times Square exclusive Krispy Kreme donut. This is apple glaze on the top. It's filled with something. It was $9 for the exclusive donut. $9. I think it's just all the extra taxes, but yeah, it's a little messy, but I liked it. That's pretty wild. Father Duffy. There's so much stuff going on. These people are in line for something right here. I don't even know what they're in line for. It's not even 11 o'clock in the morning. Sadly, I had an entire day planned of art museums, going to memorials, monuments, here, there, everywhere. But for the first time in years, they said a blizzard's coming here tomorrow, so I gotta get out. So we're waiting to hear from the airline, the airport saying we can get you out. If not, good old Jay could be stuck here for a week, but we'll see. So in the meantime, we're just gonna take a few hours and walk around Times Square, but just my luck, right? And over here, and they will charge you if you take their picture. We're in the Disney store in Times Square. I think I found my spirit animal right here. This is just who I am, who I was meant to be. So we're gonna take you on the world famous escalator to see the beautiful lanterns. Yes, to be a princess. They got a castle up here. I'm just looking for the Star Wars stuff, which I found. I don't think I've ever seen a Woody hat. Wow, look at that church. Church of the Saint Mary the Virgin. You take credit card, right?
Yes.
This is the best hot dogs in New York, I heard.
Yep.
Yeah. So I think I'll have a New York hot dog with the onions, ketchup, and mustard. Yep. I guess that's a New York style. I don't know if we go in. Oh. Ooh, smell that chocolate. Oops, sorry. This is what you need, iCannabis, right here. Brown M&M socks. He's thinking of something witty to say, but at that point, there was nothing. We have the Starburst Bath Bomb. So if you want to smell like a Starburst, you know, just put that in your bathtub and you can walk around and be like, I smell like a Starburst. My friend showed up. Look at that. I might get him some bubble yum. I made it. Almost knocked this thing over. Reese's cup. New York, concrete jungle where trees are made of.